In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MailChimp to Gmail using Zapier step by step. This is a super useful setup if you want to automate tasks between your email tools, save time, and keep your workflow running smoothly without doing everything manually. Whether you're trying to sync information, automate email-related actions, or build a simple integration between MailChimp and Gmail, this guide will walk you through the full process from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Zapier is the automation platform we'll use to connect MailChimp and Gmail together. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create option and click it. This is where you'll start building a new automation, also known as a Zap. After that, click on Zaps. This takes you into the area where you can create and manage your workflows. Once you're inside, you'll need to set up your trigger first. Click on Trigger to choose what starts the automation. Now in the app search bar, type Gmail and click on it when it appears. Gmail will be your trigger app in this setup. Next, choose an event from the list. Depending on what you want to automate, you can select the option that best matches your workflow. If you're not sure, just choose one that fits your use case and continue. After selecting the event, you'll be asked to log in to your Gmail account. Go ahead and sign in using the Google account you want to connect. Make sure you grant Zapier the necessary permissions so it can access the account properly. Once Gmail is connected, it's time to set up the action. Click on Action to choose what happens next in the workflow. In the app search bar, type MailChimp and click on it when it appears. MailChimp will be the app that receives the automation or performs the next step in the process. Again, choose an event for MailChimp. Select the action that best matches what you want the automation to do. This could be something related to adding contact details, syncing data, or another MailChimp workflow depending on your goal. Then log into your MailChimp account when prompted. Make sure you connect the correct MailChimp account, especially if you manage multiple brands or workspaces. Once that's done, review the setup carefully so both apps are connected in the right order and with the right settings. Now click on Build It in the top area. This tells Zapier you're ready to continue with the automation setup. After that, click Test Run to make sure everything is working correctly. Testing is an important step because it helps you confirm that Gmail and MailChimp are communicating the way you want before the Zap goes live. If the test works successfully, the final step is to click Publish. This activates your automation and officially connects MailChimp to Gmail through Zapier. From this point on, your workflow can run automatically based on the trigger and action you selected. And that's it, you've now connected MailChimp to Gmail using Zapier. This setup can save you a lot of time and make your email workflows much easier to manage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.